everybody, so I got my first ever PR package in from Do You Care Beauty or Do You Care Beauty, and I'm so excited. They sent me 3 packages and I'm going to unbox them with you all. So first things first, they actually partnered with me. They are going to be running a Mother's Day giveaway coming up. The rules for this, you have to choose one of 3 looks or 3 videos to create. So the first one can be a comparison video of when your mom was young versus now, so like 1970s or 1980s versus the 2020s. You can also do a makeup look imitating your mom's makeup when she was young, so however she did it. Or you can also just do a video telling a story about your mom. So you choose one of the 3, you'll tag me, you'll tag Do You Care Beauty, which I have tagged below as well. And then it is open internationally. The winner will be chosen on the 9th, and you could win one of these products that I'm going to be unboxing for you. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm literally so excited. This is my first ever PR package. Look at all of these. There's so many. So there is packages inside packages. I like less packaging, but this is a beautiful, these are beautiful. I love the matte black, but then shiny up here. It is so soft. Oh my, I can't wait to create looks with you guys, for you guys on these. I will definitely create all kinds of looks, showing you each brush, what they're good for. They've sent eyeshadow brushes, foundation brushes, blush brushes. Let's get into the other packages. So these are all the ones from just the first package. They are so soft. This is so many. I still have to open the others. I can't even hold them all. Also, if you are a beginner, they also send you the instructions, so that's great. They'll use for each brush, what to do, how to use them. And also super cool, they send these little stickers so you can label your brushes how you want. Because sometimes I will use like this angled brush for contour and not for eyeshadow. So you can label your brush how you want. But let's open those other packages and see what else you could possibly win. This one came with a silk carrying case. I love it. Great to protect your brushes in. Another large package. So in addition to the brushes, they also sent me a little portable mirror. This is perfect for travel. Take with you. You can even set it up as your little makeup stand. If you want to purchase anything, I do have a discount code with them. Go to the link in my bio and it'll tell you the code to enter directly from their website at your checkout. Thanks for joining!